Papalubog na yung araw, guys. Papalubog na siya. At yung oras namin dito is 6:20 ng gabi, kumbaga sa atin. But it's still maano pa rin. And yun ang pusa. Hi Marie! Kuya Navont! Yeah? What is it, Mike? What is it, Matt? Ça va? Come here. Yeah? Ça va, me? Yeah? Ça va? Hey, me? Yeah? Je bent honger. Kom. Ja, ik weet het, maar... Ik weet het, meisje. Kom. You want me to pet you? Super ganda dito, guys. Look at the flowers. Yung mga flowers na kasi syempre ito yung tipa ano pa lang siya, tipa sibol pa lang. Yeah, guys. Yan dito. Dapat may ano ka. So, ito na yung ano, ito na yung flowers. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Ang ganda yung flowers dito kasi ganyan dan ibig sabihin is lenta. So sisibol na yung mga halaman, of course, after the winter. Sibol na yan. Yeah. What is it, me? What is it? Come here. Come. Come here. Come is. Come. What is it? What is wrong? Come here. Yeah, we waited. Come here. Come. Come here. Come here. What is it? Maybe it's problem. Yeah, you want me to pet you. You want me to pet you, but you don't want to come to me. Yeah, come here. Pusa namin to, guys. Binigay namin yan sa mother-in-law ko kasi yung pusa niya is namatay na. What is it? Huh? What? What's wrong? Come. What is it? What is it, May? Come, May. Come, Mika. Marie. Yeah, guys. Ganyan talaga yan dito pag ano. Pag Lent. It's so nice, diba? Yung simoy ng hangin. Yung pasibol na mga bulaklak. Tapos yung ano, it's 19 degree, guys. 19 degree dito sa amin, which is good. Which is good siya. So, maano lang kasi marami yung ano, marami yung mga kuliglig. Ang ganda dito. Yeah, what is it, Mika? Yeah, you're always complaining, Matt. I know, it's a cat season. Diba, Mika? Marie? What is it? What is wrong? Come here. Come here. What? Come here. Come here. Come here. You really want me to pet you, you know? You really want me to pet you, you know? Actually, guys, you know what? Yung mga pusa, they are very friendly. Tapos alam nila pag may sakit ka, alam nila, guys, pag ano, pag umaatake yung panic attack ko. And they're very sweet and they're very, you know, they really like contact. That's what I like with cat than dog. Kasi sila, ano, very independent sila. Hindi na muna kailangan silang ilabas. Because if you let them out and they will make, matatai sila sa labas tapos iihi. And then that's it. Not compare with dog na kailangan mong ilabas, ipasyal, i-socialize. But yung cat talaga is very, you know, very sweet and very, ang sweet nila.